Outdoor LiDAR point clouds are typically large-scale and complexly distributed. To achieve efficient and accurate registration, emphasizing the similarity among local regions and prioritizing global local-to-local matching is of utmost importance, subsequent to which accuracy can be enhanced through cost-effective fine registration. We proposed a novel hierarchical neural network with double attention named HDMNet is proposed for large-scale outdoor LiDAR point cloud registration. At first, let's take a glance at registration first, given 2 point clouds P, Q. Point cloud registration aims at estimating a rigid transformation T, which aligns the 2 point clouds. The transformation can be solved by the above equation. As shown in the image, the two images on the left are the 2-frame point clouds before the alignment, and the 2-frame point cloud after the alignment is on the right side. Our area of interest is the point cloud alignment problem for large-scale, outdoor LiDAR in autonomous driving scenarios. Compared to indoor or object-level alignment, outdoor point cloud alignment faces the following problems. Firstly, outdoor point clouds are complexly distributed and have heightened sparsity, expanded spatial extent and intricate distribution. In addition, the utilization of point-to-point and point-to-patch matching strategies can introduce erroneous correspondences. In summary, existing approaches either lack reliability or are time-consuming when applied to outdoor LiDAR point cloud registration. Therefore, we aim to balance effectiveness and accuracy by designing a novel algorithm. Point cloud alignment can be broadly categorized into traditional method-based versus end-to-end and feature matching-based registration, and our work is inspired by the hierarchical architecture of RegNet and the soft matching network, as well as by the basic concepts in scene flow, cost volume. We believe that corresponding points in proximity should exhibit similar local patterns, which the original point-to-point and patch-to-patch approaches do not effectively take into account. Our algorithm is described next. HDMNet consists of two main components: global local-to-local and fine registration. We use a feature extractor to hierarchically abstract the local regions into keypoints and descriptors, leveraging the reliable features at the deeper layer along with precise position information at the shallower layer. Given the source point cloud XS and the target point cloud XT, we perform 2 rounds of soft matching. The first round of soft matching is conducted between the source and target point clouds to update the points in the source point cloud. Subsequently, the second round of soft matching is performed within the updated source point cloud. In comparison to utilizing a single soft matching, it offers enhanced flexibility. Each point in the target point cloud directly participates in 2 soft matching processes. A higher weight in the first soft matching process indicates its ability to better represent a local region within the target point cloud. Similarly, a higher weight during the second matching process suggests a greater likelihood of this local region matching the point 11 from the source point cloud XS. Following the coarse registration, we leveraged 2 subsequent layers of fine registration to refine the alignment. We employed the single soft matching module in the fine registration, due to the generation of keypoints in the deeper layer from a region in the shallower layer. The high-confidence keypoints in the denser point cloud of the deeper layer correspond to a high-confidence spatial neighborhood region in the shallower layer. We utilized the confidence scores from the deeper layer to design a hierarchical embedding mask module. Specifically, we adopt the upsampling method inspired by PointNet++ to upsample the confidence scores between layers. In addition, considering the effectiveness of global registration in achieving initial alignment of point clouds, all KNN searches in the fine registration are performed in Euclidean space rather than in descriptor space. The loss function of HDMNet is composed of translation loss and rotation loss LROT, which can be calculated based on the given estimated and ground truth transformations as the equation. The evaluation of our approach is conducted based on the relative translation error, RTE, and relative rotation error, RRE. In accordance with RegNet, we employ the registration recall to measure the success rate of our registration. For a more detailed comparison of the registration performance, we calculate the average RRE, RTE, and display the results in tab 1. The average RT and RRE are only calculated for successful registrations. We display 3 samples of point cloud registration. The first row display the top 5 and bottom 5 point correspondences based on their correspondences confidence obtained from the deepest layers registration. The green lines and the red lines represent inlier and outlier correspondences. The second row displays the aligned 2-point clouds. B. Qualitative visualization of keypoints. We present the keypoints at each layer, with each row representing 1-point cloud. The yellow points represent the original point cloud, while the blue points indicate the keypoints generated. To analyze the impact of our proposed double soft matching module, similarity feature, and mask prediction module on the performance, we conducted extensive ablation studies on the KITTI dataset provided in 25. The registration recall with different modules is displayed in Figure 7 and the detailed average RT and RRE is shown in Tab 2 and the calculation settings are the same as that in Tab 1. HDMNet * only utilized a single soft matching without all the aforementioned modules. As a conclusion, we propose a hierarchical network for outdoor LiDAR point cloud registration, composed of global local-to-local registration and efficient fine registration. To establish reliable correspondences between keypoints, we introduce a double soft matching network and incorporate feature consistency similarity in the matching process. Additionally, we utilize the confidences of correspondences from deep layer to mask keypoints in the corresponding regions of shallow layers. Abundant ablation experiments demonstrate the effectiveness of our feature consistency enhanced double soft matching network and mask prediction module. Furthermore, through extensive experiments on 2 large-scale outdoor LiDAR point cloud datasets, we have achieved remarkable levels of precision and efficiency with the proposed HDMNet.